Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I got some Amazon Basics paper plates. I wanted to give these a try just to see if it's really different than any of the Dixie stuff. But let's just see. It's probably made by Dixie for all I know. But I use a lot of paper plates. I don't like to use the styrofoam ones for the environment, but I really shouldn't even be using the paper ones either, probably. But let's see how they look. And so they're pretty much the same flex and stuff. I almost think it might be slightly thinner than the Dixie stuff. Actually, I have some Dixie stuff here. Let me look and see what that. Do a comparison. I have bowls, but I'm going to do a comparison of what the different components are. Yeah, I'm going to say the Dixie ones are probably. It's the same. It's the same. It's the same. Get the Amazon Basics ones. It's the same. Nice and thick and good, and comes with a whole bunch of them. So definitely a good buy. Thumbs up.